Hey y'all, I wanted to show you guys what sells online. I always want to do hauls, but the stuff sells so fast that by the time I do the haul, the stuff is already gone. So this is Everlane. I love selling Everlane. They make jeans that are really comfortable and durable. And I bought a wholesale of 10 of them, and I'm pretty much almost sold out of them. I think I have like 1 or 2 left. And they even have like small sizes and white, and they still sold. I used that free USPS to ship these jeans. You can get those from the post office, those envelopes. They have a sticky part on them. This is Cool. I love selling Cool. I've talked about Cool before. Cool is an outdoor brand. They make like stuff for hiking and things like that. I don't know what people do outdoors, but yes, men and women love Cool. Those were women's shorts, a size 6, I believe, and they even sold super fast. Cool sells good on eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark. Those little bags there I got from Amazon. They are so cute. I always get compliments on them. This is Juicy. Now, as a reseller or even just a girly, you should be able to spot Juicy Couture velour pants or tracksuits just like from a mile away. They sell super good. They're super trendy. I was around in the early 2000s, so Y2K era, so I know that they had people in a chokehold. This is American Eagle. Now, this will be very controversial. How do you say that word? Controversy. A lot of people don't like selling American Eagle. I love selling American Eagle. If you can find it for $1, $2, or $3, sometimes even $4 or $5, depending on how trendy it is, they sell super fast and super good. And then if you find like a bigger size, you're in the money.